Welcome to Safety Products. Here we're examining a standard single pole double throw micro switch without direct opening action. The contact state changes when the actuator button of the micro switch is pressed, triggering a spring-loaded mechanism to shift the contacts. As you can see, when the contacts become stuck or encounter an obstruction, they fail to open. This results in the contacts being unable to change state, leading to a failure in the switch's operation. At Safety Products, we prioritise safety above all else, ensuring that we use the safest and most reliable micro switches available. The development of the Safety Products micro switch underwent rigorous testing and challenges to meet the highest standards. One critical test involves applying a 1 kilogram weight to the contacts, requiring them to function correctly under the load. After the weight is removed, the contacts must still operate flawlessly, providing their direct opening capability and fail-safe reliability. This is verified using a 500 volt mega to confirm that the contacts are properly opened. Additionally, the Safety Products micro switches are IP67 rated, providing superior protection against dust and water ingress. This rating extends the lifespan of the switches, allowing us to utilise pure silver contacts to ensure optimal electrical conductivity and reliability in all applications.